Hey there guys, it's me Rob, and today we just got a quick video for you. Thank you for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're just going to be taking a quick look at a LifeProof case after 2 years of use, abuse, many drops, many spills into big pools of water, and just all kinds of rough and tough and wear and tear. So let's just go ahead and get started at these close-ups. So as you can see down here, a lot of the rubber is coming off from getting dropped a lot, and this is not from one drop. This is from hundreds and hundreds of it dropping on the corner and stuff like that. And all in all, for 2 years, I think this case did pretty good. Now, not to worry, I do have a brand new LifeProof that I'm going to be transferring this to. I was using this even with the wear and stuff until I noticed this right here. This is for the mute on and off of the iPhone, and as you can see, the rubber is torn around there. So I was fine with all this other stuff because this case was still watertight and I had tested it, but with this part right here, there's actually a way into the phone right through here, through where the rubber came off. So it is no longer going to be a watertight case, and that is why I'm going to be replacing it. You can also see a lot of nicks from it getting dropped in just different spots. More missing rubber. As you can see, this button has been pressed many times. Also, you can see the back of the case is warping a little bit, and this is probably a lot to do with me using a pop socket on the case. I don't have it on now, but I have been using a pop socket on this case for about half of its life, so for about a year. But I just want to give you guys a quick look into that. But the most important thing is, though, even though the case is torn up, that the phone is still in pretty much brand new condition, because I put my phone in a case as soon as I get it. So I just want to show you guys, even with the case all torn up, the phone is still like it came out of the box. There's a little bit of dust, but let me just wipe this off. And looky there. All the use and the abuse that the case took, so the phone didn't have to take any of it. Yes, I know there is a lot of fingerprints, but that's not the purpose of the video. So a LifeProof case is definitely worth the investment, and people that I see walking around with broken phones all the time, I try to preach to them that they should just put their phone in a case, but a lot of them never listen. That's about it for this video, guys. Don't want to make it too long, just want to show you something a little cool, a little different. Hope this helped you out. Please smash the like button for me, it helps me out ever so much, and hit the subscribe button. And if you're not one of my subscribers, tell me how you came across this video, because I've had some of my videos going into a lot of people's recommended, and I just like to know where the views are coming from. Till next time, guys, I'm Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge. See you later.